You have prevalence of counterfeit products, particularly farm input, being sold to our farmers. It was only this weekend that the authority, in conjunction with other government entities and the police, were able to impound fake fertilizer in Uasin Gishu, where somebody was just trying to sell fake fertilizer which is substandard and not even does not have any component on that, which can affect our farm production.
Well, the reason why we are keen on this as a ministry is because we have realized that we have so many innovations, inventions, but we rarely benefit from them. They are copyrighted, they are taken away, and the innovators live in or wallop in poverty, while their technologies, their innovations, and whatever they have come up with is benefiting others.
We protect the content of the right holders. We protect the IP in terms of all that which relates to what the creatives are doing.